We have a wealth of programs, and our base program is our credit repair and restoration program. During that program is where we educate the client on understanding their credit reports, as well as what has hindered that report, but more importantly, what the treatment plan will be for that. From that program, we move up to the personal finance package, and within the personal finance package is where we dive deeper into their budget and finances and external bills. We look for opportunities to save them money, to refinance current debts if they have them, and then more importantly, what we're going to do to assist them with growing their finances exponentially moving forward. The professionalism and the teamwork. We are very much a team here at our organization, and we treat our clients as part of our team. Our clients are not a file, they are not a number, they are a person that has real problems that they want help with, and we recognize that no two people are the same, and you will receive personalized service with Endeavor. Perfect clients are the ones who pay attention and follow the advice that's given to them, and more importantly, understand that they are going through a process. And just like getting ready for surgery, there are steps that you have to take in order to get yourself to the optimum level to be successful within that surgery. So those are the clients that I prefer.